I wanted to document this real quick. Striker, you're making a mistake. Strikers, they're putting the mounting bracket out here now instead of back underneath this thing in the back, and what's happening is that it's moving around and scratching up the damn radios. Okay, look at that. That's from the damn mounting bracket. So you guys need to stop doing that and start putting it back underneath the box like you were doing before. Okay, now this is the way the first ones were coming. The bracket was all the way back here underneath the accessory box. Okay, I never got up underneath the radio. So somebody needs to fix that packaging problem. But I'm sure your customers don't appreciate having a scratched up damn radio from a mounting bracket. And you can see the imprint where the mounting bracket was. So, you know, somebody needs to take a look at that. Steve S., this is your striker. SR955. This is the one I just showed the brackets on. I'll include it in your video. The mounting bracket had slid forward. It didn't cut through to the metal, but it smoothed out the finish. I think that's a hard powder coated finish. So it protected the case, but I still think that's unsatisfactory. But anyway, I'm getting ready to start on your striker. More to come. Okay, Steve, got the enhancements done. Upgraded your voltage regulator buffer filter from a 1000 microfarad to from a 1000 microfarad to a 3300 microfarad cap. And I added 4700 microfarads to the DC input. So your buffer filter for a DC input is now a 4700 microfarad plus the little 470 microfarad that's underneath there. So this one's 10 times as large as that one, so you get a lot better DC filtering. Okay, we also replaced your 10.7 IL filter. Made it a more narrow filter than what the radio originally comes with, and that cuts down on bleed over without reducing the receive. Okay, and of course we've done the tune-up, so she's ready to go. Let me get the covers on it and I'll be back. Alright, Steve, I got the covers put back on it, speaker plugged in, and I'm injecting a signal. It's a 100 microvolt signal at 30% modulation. Okay, we're reading an S9 on the meter. That's on AM. Switch to FM. I need to switch my signal generator to FM. Okay, you can hear the tone come up. There's the F9 on that. And let me see if I've got it adjusted correctly for sideband now. Yeah, look at there. And there it is on sideband. Okay. So S9 on sideband. I doubt it's going to be like that on upper sideband. It's not. Okay. That thing, my signal generator doesn't have an external adjustment for the frequency. And this, it was a little off frequency. I got in there and managed to set it closer to frequency, but it's still not perfect. But it's close enough that I can tell whether or not the receiver is going to be like it ought to. Okay. All right, let's do some power checks. Let's go to AM. We want full power. And let's see, I've got a 100 watt slug there and a 250 watt slug there. Okay, meter on the left is RMS, meter on the right is peak. Hang on a second, let me get set up. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. All right, 100 on the left, 250 on the right. Meter on the right is peak, meter on the left is RMS. I'm on the AM with power turned up all the way. Yeah, we got another thunderstorm here. All right, we're dead keying 30 watts. Audio, hello, hello, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2. We're reading on the top scale on the right-hand side. So we're looking at a little bit over 125 watts peak. And on the left side, we'll be reading on the bottom scale. So we're dead keying about 30 watts, maybe 32. Audio, hello, hello, audio, 1, 2. And a little over 125 peak. Now that's with power turned all the way up. I'm going to turn power all the way down now. So we're dead keying 2.4, about 5 watts. Audio, hello, hello, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Over 125 peak. Power turned all the way down. And let's see, it almost swings up to 20, swinging up to about 18 from your dead key there. So this thing's got some audio, boy. All right, now then, let's go to lower sideband. Yes, that is thunder you're hearing. All my outside antennas are disconnected, so don't worry. I'm on the dummy load. Hello, audio, 1, 2, audio. Now, what was that? 70 watts RMS and a little over 120 audio. And about a 125 on peak. Okay, now watch what happens when I set our voltage up to 14.5. Is it 0.5 or 0.2? Hang on a second, let me measure it. I don't see any change in the radio. Yep. Well, test probe won't stay. Having to try to hold them and key the radio, and that just ain't working. Okay. Hello, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. Yeah, it's 14.5, almost 150 watts. That's on sideband. Switch back to AM. Hello, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2. Yeah, we're peaking over 150 watts on AM. That's on 14.5 volts. Okay. Now I'm going to set this back down to 13.8. Hello, audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio, test, audio. Right, you know, I mean, that's plenty of power right there. So if I were you, I would keep the voltage at 13.8. You're doing 125 watts peak on AM. Don't think that you really need to run the voltage up, but I was just showing you what the radio would do if it had like 14.5. all right, okay, Steve, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. It's got to do the 24-hour burn-in. Today is, what is today? Today's Saturday. It's about 2 o'clock on Saturday afternoon. So tomorrow around 3 or 4, I'll check on it, and if it's still working all right, I'll pull it off the bench. Okay, again, thanks for your business, Steve. 7-3, everybody.